I've been here before, mate. Do you want me to show you around?
Please.
Yeah?
I was going to get a video of you and go on, Fagan, go on. And you never came round again. I was over there, like,
I was going to ask you if you've got a gearbox in it. So I haven't heard you change gear yet.
Leave it in third, mate. So we are out here at Apex Motocross, just off the M5, junction 6. Got a private hire, got some proper rogues here today. Some long-haired rogues. And my CR125 was supposed to be here. Boothie's CR250 is here, and we were supposed to have a CR500, but the CR500 didn't turn up and my CR125 wasn't quite ready, so I got an FC250 Husky, and it is way better than I am. Way better than I am. It's got some funky tech as well, which I'll show you in a minute. The problem with motocross is, unless you ride every week, the arm pump comes back to haunt. I haven't ridden properly in 18 months. There she is. What a babe. Fucking hell. We've got some British riders here as well, and GP riders. Yay! Come on, Coxie! Good! Coxie on the free ride, flat out. Oh no! Here's Boothie, loose as fuck. Hey, up there's the boss. Go on, lad. Go on, Fagan. Give it some, kid. Go on, lad. Hey! Oh, you. Ah. Way. Fucking hell. James Dunn, British Championship rider. Mr. Fagan, Norbert. Hey! Way up there, go on! Oh, I dropped off the power there. It's all good and well riding two strokes, but unless you get making them sing, they don't want to get out their own way. Hey, up there! Oh, shit out! Come on, Boothie. Sort yourself out, kid. Bit of a falsie there. Oh fuck! Oh, fucking hell! Oh. Case the bastard. Anyone who says
Motocross is easy. There's never done it before, not properly anyway.
Right. Borrowed the 240 volts free ride E. See what this is about. Oh yeah, this is more my cup of tea. Oh yeah. Whoa. No engine braking. Oh. This is surprisingly capable, this thing. I mean, you don't get the noise, but I'm enjoying it more because it's not trying to kill me. Oh! Suspension needs improving though. That is fucking mega fun. Wow. Oh, I just need a bit more speed over that one. I ain't got the bottle. I'm starting to struggle to hold on now. This is the best way to get fit. Gotta be. You can stick your running machine up your arse. Put your dumbbells up your shit box, mate. Hey, up there! Ow, 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 ow. I like riding two strokes, but in all fairness, it's not as easy as a four stroke to ride. I've a lot of fun on my old CR250, but I know it'll be a lot quicker on a four stroke. A modern bike, this is a bit geriatric, this thing. It's a 2003 on the CR250 and well, it's a nice fun bike to ride. It's probably not the fastest thing. Not with me on it anyway. I know it'll be a lot quicker on a modern bike. Where's the fun in that? So as I said, the weapon of choice today is the FC250 and it's got some serious tech on it, like this Bluetooth thing, and you connect to your bike and you can change whether it's sand, gravel, hard pack, dry, wet. You can change the engine map, traction control overs. Don't know why you want traction control. It's you got engine braking control, throttle map. There's so much on here. I think the only bike that I know, road bike, that you can do that with is the R1. And even that's pointless because you can do it on the screen anyway, so. No way I'm doing that triple. There's no fucking way. Whoa! But you can't feel the brake. It's time to call it a day. As Boovie said, you don't need to work out at the gym.
Now then, this, ladies and gents, is a real treat. I've done a couple of sessions on my own motocross bike just to get warmed up and learn my way around, and now I'm going to take this for a spin. It's Mick Extence's, fucking hell that's heavy, Dakar rally bike. This is the kind of thing I'm going to have to get used to riding when we go to the Dakar. Wow, it's heavy. Oh shit. This does not feel like a motocross bike. Hope there's no one coming. I'm a bit scared of it, to be honest. The gear shift's in a bit of a peculiar place for my foot. Well, I'm holding people up now. Never mind. Oh shit. Oh shit house. Ooh. Oh, you've just got to be careful. I feel as though if I go too fast, I'm going to shake this navigation tower to bits, but the thing's capable of doing a Dakar rally, so I don't think a few braking bumps on a motocross track's going to touch the sides. It's nice and soft and comfortable, and oh shit! The gear shift's in a real good position if you sort of sat right back, but if you sat at the front of the bike in a bit of a motocross position, you struggle to find it with your foot. Certainly feels more like a tractor compared to my CR, but then again, any 4-stroke would. And this navigation setup makes it... Oh fuck, I just twatted myself in the head with it. The navigation setup makes it feel really quite top heavy, even though it's probably not the nav tower doing that. It's probably the big fuel tank, but it's a good opportunity to get used to a big rally bike. But wow, in actual fact, it's not a full-on rally bike. This is an enduro bike that's been converted into a rally bike. The genuine rally bikes are getting on for 40 grand. But to get to the end of a Dakar rally, you don't necessarily need to be the fastest person in the world. You just need to keep going. You just need to plod along. So that's what I need to practice, plodding. And although this is a big unit of a bike, I think because it's so big, it's really smooth, and I could see myself doing a lot of miles on it if I needed to. I think a normal motocross bike is great when you're going balls out, but when you start trying to do long distances on my CR, for example, you just wear yourself out. This is a real treat. Getting to ride this round a motocross bike, a genuine Dakar bike. What a top bloke Mick Extance is, letting us take this for a spin. Absolute top bloke. Well, I'm no Dakar hero yet, but I think I could get used to this. I think I could get used to riding a rally bike. I really like it. I really like it. Cheers, Mick. You're the best. What a blast. What a bike. What an honour, a privilege. It's time for Battle of the Two Fiddies. I've jumped off my CR, my old faithful, the old CR250 2003. 2-stroke versus 4-stroke, gonna give this thing a go. The FC250 Husqvarna. Oh, it's got a bit of punch. I'll give you a punch. Oh, the seat's hard. I suppose it's because it's not worn out like mine. Oh, bloody hell. Holy shit. I don't have the same intensity as my 2-stroke, but it is a bit smoother. It's getting that burn.
I'm gonna go and have an Epsom bath. Get fucking old, man.
How old are you now? Oh, fuck me, mate. Wait till you're 40. Stone.
I won't be riding. I won't be riding a motocross bike, that's for sure. I feel like I'm fucking 40.
I feel like I'm 60 today, mate.
Hey, but you're out, you're having a laugh.
Yeah.